you really need to work on the factoring. We're going to get back to factoring over and over again. So make sure you know how to factor properly, please. Okay. How about this one? How do you factor this? We have 4x plus 8y plus by plus dy plus 4y. How can I factor this? Anyone?
You divide it, 4x plus dy plus 4y.
You said divided? You have 4x plus dy plus 4y. You don't have anything in common among all of them, obviously, right? You have y in common among the last three. We don't have x in any of them except the first one. So among all of them, the greatest common factor is 1. So when you have 4 terms, sometimes you can factor by grouping, maybe. Will that factor by grouping work? Anybody know how to factor by grouping? Okay, we have a suggestion here in the chat room. Put 4x and 2x together. Yeah, very good. Factor by grouping. If I group these two, let's go with this suggestion. 4x and dy, 4x and dx. You're saying. Let's get dx. Okay, that's dx. Yeah, this is dx. 4x and dx together, and these two together. Factor by grouping, we can group in 3 different ways here. So if I pick 4x and dx, and then dy and 4y, what do we have in common between these two first terms? Diamond, you want to tell me? Have your mic on.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
No, that's fine. You want to tell me what do you have in common between the first two terms now? 4x and dx.
Yeah.
What do you have in common?
The x.
X. If I factor x out, I get 4 plus d. You see that? What do you have in common from the last two terms?
Y.
Y. So when you do this and you see a common terms, that would be d plus 4. You see how we have d plus 4 and d 4 plus d in common now? So I can factor that one out. So 4 plus d is in common between these two. So in other words, what times this greatest common factor give me this first term? This x is missing, right?
X plus y.
Very good, x plus y. There you go. That's how you factor. This is called a factor by grouping. You have a couple of these problems in the take-home test. Please take a look at that, and looks like that is C is the correct answer. Question is how to factor by grouping? No.